Welcome back, guys, to another Jacob and Benny adventure. Me and Benny are just chilling here in between the iconic Defender and the Jeep Gladiator.
Just trying to find a bit of shade in this awesome weather.
Looks like your top of your head's getting a bit cooked there as well. Same here. Anyway, if you missed the last Norfolk Island episode, go check that one out. It was bloody awesome. Link in the description. And now we're going to kick it off with the second episode on this beautiful island. It was insane, wasn't it?
I'm loving these vlogs and I hope you guys are enjoying them as well.
Enjoy. What was the ghost tour last night, Mum?
It was scary.
Weird energy at that building, eh?
Yeah, it was not pleasant.
Yeah, it wasn't good, was it?
Yeah.
So apparently where we went was the most haunted place in the South Pacific Ocean. Yeah, it was insane.
Yeah, it was evil.
Yeah,
Evil.
very evil place. We'll put some links below so you can have a read up on it and what sort of things happened there. But it was, yeah, not good at all. We went to a little cemetery though, which was, I felt the vibe down there. The vibe in the cemetery was pretty good, eh, Mum?
Yeah, Colleen McCulloch, the author, was buried there.
Dougie's coat still in there.
And she had a nice gravestone and beautiful flowers. And yeah, that was nice.
Oh,
She's look, she was a lovely lady.
Where's my son?
Yeah, I didn't feel worried at all in the cemetery. It was a nice sort of spot to be buried, actually. There was awesome views of the beach. Not that you're going to see it when you're buried, but what do you reckon, Dad? Last night ghost tour.
Yeah, it was good. Interesting. I'd have gone in the house.
Yep. It was weird. Georgie was asleep, weren't you, big man? Hey, yeah, you were. So today we are off to this epic maze. Yeah, there's an awesome maze around here that we saw on the bus tour. But we also did research prior as well, so it looks pretty sick. And the twins want to go to a little toy shop, so apparently that's really good. Tour guide mentioned that. And yeah, we're just gonna have a bit of an explore, see what we can find. Stay tuned. Are you excited for the toy shop, Leo? Yeah? Keen to see what's in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be different. You excited for the toy shop?
Yes! Yes.
What do you reckon, Thea?
Look.
Love it?
Oh.
Who's that?
That's got hair like yours, look.
Daddy?
Look at this one. Look,
Hello,
that's got hair
Leo.
like
What'd
yours.
you find?
This? Yeah, orange.
Oh,
It's
it's like a Jeep. Oh, it is a Jeep.
I think I have
That's cool.
Can I have it or no?
Oh, keep looking. That's an option.
Okay.
Big George. Go, George. Go, George. Yes. There we go. Saw some massive sharks. Apparently they have tiger sharks come through as well. The ones that we literally just saw were a mixture of bull sharks and reef sharks, but they were bloody massive. So the guys who drop their boats in with the big cranes, they go out for a fish, come back with their catch, and then they fill it, throw all the scraps into the water, and those sharks just have a mad feast. It's insane. What a spot. Saw a couple of big turtles as well, which is pretty cool. Big sea turtles. Boys, do you want to go to the maze? There's a maze.
I love mazes.
Yeah, the maze should be good, eh? Go and check it out. What do you reckon to the sharks?
Cool.
Pretty big, eh?
I don't want to go to the mall.
That's actually another thing.
What's the?
The locals are saying that there's teenagers, about 16, 17-year-old, they just jump in with the sharks and the sharks don't even touch them. So I probably would not do that myself, but these sharks are pretty well fed. But I don't think that would be a good idea either way. You never know. We just saw the first, I think the only car on Norfolk Island with Airbag Man gear on it. It was a Land Cruiser 79 and he's absolutely gummed it. There he is. Yeah. So we're inside in the daytime. Still pretty weird. Quiet in here, eh? Lots of people have been walking in here.
Yeah. Probably that door there, the first. It's weird. It's a bit nauseous. I feel.
Yeah.
I do feel nauseous. I must admit. I did as soon as I walked in that one over there. This one here, that door.
It was fully
when I
locked.
pushed it, it was like resisting.
Yeah.
It was resisting.
Bit of resistance. Morning. It is day 4, isn't it? Is it day 4?
Yeah.
Day 4, and today we are going to go to Emily Bay. The weather is probably the best it has been all trip. It's so calm out there.
And warm. So warm.
Nice and warm. So we're going to go to Emily Bay first up, go for a dip. Then we're going to go to a golf course because apparently there is a chef there who was from MasterChef. Yes, she was from MasterChef, so we're going to go check her food out, have lunch there, and after that take the twins or the boys to the maze. What else are we doing, babe?
And then wood-fired pizzas for dinner.
Oh, that's right. And there is a place called Castaways just here in the town. They have their own brewery. They only sell their own beer at that brewery. They don't supply into any of the stores here. Same with the wineries here as well, which is pretty cool. And they do wood-fired pizza on Friday nights, so that is going to be sick. You pumped?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. What are we doing?
Getting a coffee from Preaky, which is Praise Be in Norfolk Island speak.
We've had a coffee at this joint every single day, haven't we? It's the best coffee on the island.
Best coffee on the island.
And another awesome thing about this joint is that there is no plastic in here, so they encourage everyone to take their own keep cups if you want a takeaway, or you can have a coffee inside the place. Or if you don't have a keep cup and you want to do takeaway, they have their own mugs in there and you can actually bring them back the next day, which is what I've done. Where is it?
No, I don't know.
You got it down there.
Over.
Here we go. Look at this.
It's a proper cup.
So it's a proper cup. So I've cleaned it for them.
How trusting is that?
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
And they've got some nuts and all sorts of things in there. Some pretty eco-friendly gear. but with all the nuts they keep them in glass jars and you can put them in little paper bags, which is awesome, and take them away with you. Yeah, it's awesome. Shop. So we're gonna go have a coffee and then we're off to Emily Bay. What do you got then?
Raw treats.
Raw treats. Oh, yum.
Yeah.
Cheers to Danny for the bottle. And front runner for producing a quality one. Look at that. Emily Bay in the background. About to go for a dip. Finish this off and then straight into it. Just arrived at Emily Bay. Have a squiz at this. Absolutely amazing. So just in the background there is the golf course. So you can go and play some golf, and then we'll be going there for lunch because there is a epic master chef there, literally from the TV show, who cooks a mad feed. But look at this. Emily Bloody Bay. Get that into you. Oh, we're going for a dip. How's the hair? Get that into you. Look at this. What do you reckon the temperature is in here?
I think from what we've done in the, you know, like our pools and things like that, probably about 17, 18.
Yeah.
Something like that.
There's a really dark shadow over there, eh?
Where?
Right over there.
Oh,
see that? Surely not.
I wonder what it is.
It's probably a rock.
Yeah, it would be.
Big
We'll
one.
look.
Probably you can just stay there or no. We would just like to say a massive thank you to everyone supporting the channel. Make sure you drop a like and a comment on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Enjoy the rest of the episode.
Yeah. Knackered. Absolutely knackered. That was nuts. How good is Emily Bay, Benny?
Dude, the water is crystal clear. It's pretty cold, but so much fun. I reckon it drops off to probably 8 feet deep.
Yeah, it was deep, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Especially when you're getting strangled by the twins.
I nearly drowned.
Such a beautiful area though. We got these, I think this is Phillip Island out in the background. Awesome red and pinkish sand over there. Or what is it? Volcanic rock, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful place. It's surprising actually when you go right out there's no rock, so it's just beautiful sand. Absolutely loved it. So where are we headed now?
I reckon we go to the golf course for a mad feed.
Yep.
And then
That's where the master chef lady is, apparently. Beard's still better than yours, buddy. Yeah, let me get some cinematics. Emily Bay and that golf course was sensational. That is a definite must do when you come here to Norfolk Island. We were meant to go to a place called Castaways where they brew their own beer and they do wood-fired pizza on a Friday, and unfortunately we didn't book, so we missed out. And then we ended up going to a place called Bounty Bar and Grill again, which is where we went previous nights ago, which was awesome as well. But if you're coming to Norfolk Island, make sure you book in at the Castaways wood-fired pizza place where they brew their own beers, otherwise we won't get a chance. And there was only apparently 17 tourists on this island at the moment, so yeah, we bloody missed out, so pretty devastated. But when we come back next time, we will definitely book it and check it out. So today we're just off to the farmers markets, going to get some fruit for the boys, and that's about it. So we'll keep you updated. That's it, see where the wind takes us. It's a bit overcast today, as you can see, but still a beautiful day. Good temperatures, keen as. That's a wrap for this episode. Stay tuned for plenty more on Norfolk Island. We'll see you next time.
We spent a whole week there, so you get stuck in.
That's it, plenty more episodes.